my name's Alexa and I'm the training manager here at Medical Guardian. Today we're going to do an installation for the Home Guardian 2.0. So I'm simply just going to take the sleeve off and I'm going to open the box. I'm just going to pull out all the contents of the box, which includes the base device, the user guide. This little box here contains the power supply, and this little box is going to contain my transmitter buttons, my neck or my wristband. To begin the installation, you'll need to plug in the power cord to the device. So I'm simply just going to take a look at the back here, and this is going to connect into this port next to the red button. So I'm just going to make sure it's in there nice and snug. Now that's going to go into a power supply, and then I need to power the product on. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just press the red button here once, and it's going to power the device on.
AC power.
I'm going to get a verbal announcement that it's connected to power, and I'm going to get some light indicators here. While I'm waiting for it to connect, I'm going to go ahead and
Device ready.
All right, we got our verbal announcement that we're ready, and here I'm going to just unwrap all of my buttons. All right, so we're going to go ahead now and do a test on the device. I'm simply going to just press the help button here once and release.
Initiating help. Connecting. Call in progress. Call connected.
Good morning. This is Shima, Medical Guardian.
Hi, just testing.
All right, just to confirm, you're just testing the device?
That's correct, just testing.
All right, hear you loud and clear. I will disconnect the device.
Thank you.
Call completed.
And now your Home Guardian 2.0 is connected to power and is connected to the network, and we've completed a successful test. Now we're going to do a live operator test with our transmitter buttons. So I'm going to open the box here, and what I'm going to have in here is a neck pendant and a wristband. Now I only have one actual button, so if I want to move from the neck pendant to the wristband, I'm just going to pop out this button. And I can simply pop it into the wristband. Okay, now we're going to do a test. So I'm simply just going to press the button here.
Initiating help. Connecting. Call in progress. Call connected.
Hello, this is Ayana with Medical Guardian. Do you need help?
No, just testing today.
So you're just testing the device?
That's correct.
Okay, your test was successful. I'm going to reset.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
All right. The operator
Call
resets.
completed.
The operator will reset the device, and there's nothing else you need to do. Just simply wear the button and press if you need help.